I was on my phone scrolling through shorts, which giving me an idea. Making short videos about annotated speeches. First of all, we need to brand the channel. I found a channel on YouTube that posts lots of videos about annotated motivational videos. There are lots of same channels that you can copy their videos and get so many views for yourself. It's very easy. I went on ChatGPT and asked it to give me 10 YouTube channel names for shorts about annotated motivational speeches. It's given me 10 channel names and I picked one. For profile picture, I searched in the Pinterest and chose one of annotated pictures. And for channel art, you can use Canva for free. And I should tell you that I use Poe.com for using ChatGPT for free because it's not free and I can't use it in my country. Now the page is set up. This is the insane part. We need to use an AI for collecting and editing our content. My audience is Android viewers, so I went to this website called Opus Pro. This website shows one long video, 10 viral clips. This website will select the best parts of the video, subtitle it, and add emojis. I found a long video that could go viral about Android on YouTube. So I pasted the link and pressed one click once generated it. It provides the most viral clips for you. For example, it caught all the pauses and added good text, and it picked the best moment. Once you have the video, you need to title and hashtag the shorts. For title on Opus, on every single clip it shows you a title that you can use. So take this title and use them on the clips. For hashtag, I asked ChatGPT best hashtags to use for YouTube shorts related to Android motivational speeches. Always use hashtags first. For description, we use ChatGPT again and type YouTube shorts description for Android motivational speeches. This description should be written so that it hints the algorithm for search engine optimization. Also add keywords in this description. These keywords are important so YouTube knows what to recommend it to. I just wanna copy this intro and throw it straight into my description and press save. That's it. I highly recommend you get on this now before anyone else so you can grind out YouTube as much as you can. Goodbye.